Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to fix Windows 11 File Explorer search not working issue. First method is restarting Windows Explorer. Second method is change service settings. Third method is rebuild indexing options. Fourth method is update Windows. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.